Do you ever feel inconsistencies in your world? Or repetitions?
All lives have routine. Mine's no different. Still, I never cease to wonder at the thought that any day, the course of my whole life could change with just one chance encounter.
An idea. Resilient, highly contagious. Once an idea has taken hold in the brain, it's almost impossible to eradicate. An idea that is fully formed, fully understood, that sticks. Right in there somewhere.
In the dream state, your conscious defenses are lowered and it makes your thoughts vulnerable to theft.
We can train your subconscious to defend itself from even the most skilled extractor.
How can I do that?
I know how to search your mind and find your secrets. I know the tricks, and I can teach them to you so that even when you're asleep, your defense is never down.